All right. Good morning, friends. How are we today? Aaron Michael Eschenberg here, bringing you your horoscope for Monday, the 29th of April, 2019. We've got the moon moved into Pisces late last night. It's going to create a sextile over to Uranus, it's in Taurus, and to the sun, which is in Taurus. Let's go to the chart, show you exactly what that looks like, and break it down for you today. All right. So here we got the moon moved into Pisces. All right, so early this morning, I created this sextile here, this dotted line, over here to Uranus, which is breakthrough, right? Breaking of our traditions, breaking through from emotional self. And then we have the sun here. Where are we going? Where we're going, again, in a place of traditions, in a solid place, Taurus, right? Taurus is everything of our traditions. It is our money. It is all of the things, personal objects, my home, this chair, my computer, my things. Is very kind of reptilian brain, Taurus. It's all, this is my stuff. So Aries is me, and then Taurus is mine, right? So we have Uranus in the sign of mine. We have the sun in the the sign of mine, and we're breaking these things. We're breaking self, breaking what's mine. Almost like a Venus retrograde, with Uranus being in, Venus's home sign, Taurus. So home sign of personal possessions, Venus, and then other people is Libra, right? So these are the two signs that Venus rules. My stuff, Taurus, other people, Libra. So when we have this breakthrough of like self stuff, this is like almost like a Venus retrograde where we're reevaluating all of the things that we love, the things that we desire in this world, the material possessions of which we fall in love with, right? So this sun the moon, mouse is frozen. So the moon creating this, this sextile here. This is very dreamy. This is very emotionally intuitive, very empathetic, right? So that would be like the words of the day. It's very emotional, very, we're kind of like living this fantasy right now. Not living the fantasy, but we're in it. We're like, we've jumped into the pool of fantasy. Maybe it's like, all this Game of Thrones stuff from late last night, and what's this week coming? Who's staying alive? Who's gonna die? I'm not gonna put any spoilers out here. I don't even know if you're into Game of Thrones or not, but either way, you understand what fantasy, it's like we're living in this kind of daydreamy world, and there's this illusion. We're not sure what's real, what's going to happen, what's coming our way next. And that's all right, because we can kind of fall in love with that today. The next couple of days, we're starting this week off right. We're starting this week off dreamy. And further, the emotional intuitiveness is the name of the game. And that we get to kind of break through what our self is desiring. So it's like, if I used to desire this thing over here, maybe my personality has changed and adapted over the years to where I no longer desire something like, I talked about here on the show a long time ago. Like when I was a kid, I wanted a Lamborghini. Now there's like no way if somebody were to just be like, here's $300,000, Aaron, there's no way I could clearly buy a Lamborghini with $300,000. There's so many other things I would rather buy, or put towards create like a welcome center, but like a holistic health center, something like that. That's much more better use of $300,000. So it's just like, okay, we have this breakthrough of what's going on today, breakthrough of the things that we love, desire. And we have this kind of a dreamy way of looking at them and fantasizing about them. So instead of like fantasizing about the car, maybe I'm fantasizing over here about that. Like what steps can I take in my personal life to where I can achieve, to where I can open up this health and wellness center, So that's kind of our day today. That's our Monday leading into a very dreamy week. It's a good day. It's a good day, everybody. As always, thanks so much. We'll see you tomorrow.